Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 Slim disk drive. First, ensure your console is completely powered off and unplugged from all power sources and peripherals. This crucial safety step prevents any electrical hazards or damage during the repair process. Always work on a stable, clean surface to keep track of small components and tools. We'll guide you through each step carefully. Now let's access the disk drive. With the console oriented correctly, gently slide off the top cover to reveal the internal components. You'll see the disk drive module, usually held in place by 1 or 2 screws. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove these. Then, carefully detach the ribbon cable and power connector, ensuring not to bend or damage them. Take your time with these delicate connections. Once the disk drive is out, it's time for inspection and cleaning. Look closely for any foreign objects like small pieces of paper or debris that might be blocking the disk path. Use a can of compressed air to thoroughly clear out any dust from the disk slot and internal gears. For the laser lens, gently wipe it with a lint-free cloth or a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. This ensures optimal disk reading. Finally, let's reassemble your PlayStation 5 Slim. Carefully reconnect the ribbon cable and power connector to the disk drive, ensuring they are firmly seated. Position the disk drive back into its bay and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is in place, slide the console cover back on until it clicks. Reconnect all cables, power on your console, and insert a game disc to test if the drive is now working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.